guys, I'm Sully Jessica Wu, and I am at Chef Steph's Kitchen in Seattle, Washington. Let's make some lunch. Today I have my friend Shereen Pavlidis.
Hello.
Hello. She is another cookbook author, doggy mother, and I got to meet her recently in Vermont on a dairy farm. We had so much fun, and now she's here with me. We're going to be making chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggies.
From scratch.
From scratch.
So let's get started.
All right, let's do it.
We have some chicken breasts and some chicken thighs. What is your favorite meal that your parents cook for you?
My parents.
Or did they cook for you?
Yeah,
Right.
my mom really wasn't much of a cooker. Crazy as that may sound, I was like the one who loved to cook. My father is Italian. My mom was English and Irish. But what she did cook, it was great. In fact, there's a lot of her recipes I put in my cookbook that are my favorites that are incredible. But she really didn't love to cook. It's funny. I don't know where I got it from. I guess I got it from my grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's a favorite from your grandmother then?
Craziest thing, she was Italian. She loved farfalle,
Ooh.
bow tie pasta. I don't know why. I guess because it was fancy.
Yeah. We just added the chicken to the food processor. We're gonna grind it up. We're gonna add it to the bowl.
1 teaspoon each. Garlic powder,
Onion powder,
paprika, kosher salt.
black pepper,
Mix it up. Form into nuggies.
we're making heart-shaped nuggets. You can make them regular.
Color looks good.
Yeah, they look amazing. You want to use about a tablespoon size. So Shereen was one of the first food TikTokers that started pretty much the same time I did. We're the OGs.
Yeah, we are the OGs, and Matt too.
So I've known her for like 3 years, but I haven't been able to see her till now. And she's so sweet and glamorous.
Oh.
We went to the farm and she had Chanel boots on. We went to the farm and she had Chanel boots on. It was so fabulous and amazing. You can use a cookie cutter to make them into any shapes. We didn't have any, so we just hand molded these, but look how cute. They're gonna go in the freezer for 30 minutes. We have some cornstarch and flour,
Cornstarch, flour,
equal parts.
equal parts, 1 cup each.
2 teaspoons paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder.
Yep. Season in layers, kosher salt,
And black pepper.
whisk. Club soda, making a batter.
You want the consistency to be a little bit runny.
All right, we're almost there.
Yeah.
That's why I asked for 2 bottles, right?
Clean them as you go. Clean as you go.
Clean as you go. Ah, here we go.
Now we're gonna make the honey mustard. We have equal parts mayo, honey, and Dijon mustard. We're using a 1/3 cup each. Mayo,
Okay. Splash vinegar. Pinch of salt.
Okay, we got these out of the freezer. We're gonna dip it in the dry first, and then it'll go in the wet.
$350 degrees. And don't overcrowd it because it will bubble over. It's happened to me.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, with French fries.
Then we're gonna sprinkle it with some salt. I was gonna do dino nuggies.
See, that's so cute.
That's what I wanted to do. But you can probably make them into any shape, as long as they're not like super intricate and thin. These are the regular nuggets we made. Our nuggets of love are done. Let's have some lunch. Cheers.
Crispy.
So good.
They're so good. They're so
Yummy.
good. Come on.
They're really good. I'm double dipping.
That's okay. Me too.
Thank you for making lunch with me today.
Thank you for having me.
Make sure you guys follow Cooking with Shereen everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. And you can get her book, Rockstar Dinners, on Amazon.
On Amazon, Barnes & Noble, pretty much anywhere books are sold.
I can't wait for you guys to watch my next episode. Thank you guys.
Make chicken nuggies.
Yay!